Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a beginner's lesson for Python. So this video will talk about commenting in Python. So we are having two different commenting styles in Python. So first style is commenting a single line. So let me give you an example. Hash is the keyword. Hash is the operator we can use for commenting. So I'm going to say that. Uh, So this is just addition of two numbers program, and I'm going to say that number one input captured from user, and we do have a multi-line commenting format. So for that we have to put three quotes, single quotes, and we can say that result is uh, displayed in the result variable. Below is the result value calculated from num1 and num2. Again we have to close when we are doing the multi-line commenting. So for that again we have to use the single quotes three times. So right now whatever comments we have appended, that will not be read by the compiler. So that's it about commenting in Python, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video.